Hey everyone, it's James. It is about 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, June 8th, the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin BTC USD on the Bitfinex exchange. And first of all, it's not investment advice. The video is done for educational purposes only. So what we have here, price is still consolidating. We broke the uptrend line today, okay? And price just looks like it's going to flounder around. So what we're doing is we've broken up trend line, right? And price is moving horizontal. So what that means is that basically it's just at a point of indecision. More than likely, this weekend is just going to be price floundering around. I can't imagine it doing much. It's trying to form a base. It's trying to find a bottom. The zones, to watch for is just the overarching, basically the uptrend line, which is at 69.50. If price breaks below there, it will progress lower, more than likely retesting this bottom at 64.25. If price moves up, okay, we may get a run, and we'll see what happens over the weekend. But I do not think that if we do break out of this bottom, that Bitcoin's going to have enough energy to break above this prior top. This is the top to break. It's 9,990. If Bitcoin breaks above that, then we have a series of higher lows and higher highs, which is, a bull market. As long as we're progressing upward, we're still kind of in a bull market, but what's happening is, what I believe is happening is this market's kind of flattening out and moving more horizontally. And that's the reason why I say I do not believe that even if we do get the pop, that price is going to have enough energy to break above 9,990. The reason why is because we can kind of see a series of arches here forming on the chart. I do think we'll kind of duplicate a move something like this, and it would be a much more muted move than this was, like it was to this one, like it was to that one, okay? And basically what I think that is just the market returning to normalization, building a base before continuing back up. What happens after a bubble occurs in a market, like you saw with the .com bubble and the NASDAQ. I did a video about that, comparing the chart, talking about it. It's not going to be exactly the same. It's just trying to show what happens during a bubble. But anyways, so we're kind of in no man's land, just floundering around, and right now we're building a base. It's going to take more time. Like I said, I've been saying this in every single video, that this is the stage. It's going to take a lot of time for Bitcoin to make any move it's going to make. Everyone wants this fast, rapid movement, the same thing we've seen previously. Everybody wants that. The problem is, though, we are in a stage where it's going to take time for price to move. Even if we do get a magical big bar, like we've seen multiple times in this market, it's still going to take time for price to progress upward. The same way we had a $1,200 bar, and it took us a while to start creeping and crawling back up, eventually toppling back over. I think we all know that story. If we see a big bar, I'm pretty sure everybody, even anyone new to Bitcoin, just looking at a chart, you can tell what's going to happen if there's a big bar, right? It's just the unfortunate same sad story repeated over and over and over again. There's still money to be made, still a wave to ride, so forth. But anyways, that's pretty much it for tonight. There's really not much else for me to update. The tops, we may break up, but like I said, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lack of energy, and the reason why is volume has also been dwindling too in this area. We went from trading the 9 to 12, back down, started moving into 8s or 9s, 8, and then started at 7, and then now we're all the way down to the low 4s at 4.2, 4.3. We kind of been hovering there all day. Volume is definitely drying up. So the big savior to this market really is going to be the magical green bar if it does come. If not, price is more than likely just going to fizzle horizontally, potentially getting very close to this line. If we do break that line, it's not a good story for Bitcoin. But that's it for tonight. Hope everybody has a great night, great day, great weekend. I'll do another video tomorrow evening. I do thank you for your time and support. If you do like the videos, you like the content, please like, subscribe, follow, depending on what social media platform you're on. If you've not joined the Slack channel, I'd advise that you do that. It's absolutely free. It's all cryptocurrency oriented. A lot of nice, friendly people. It's just a really nice environment to be a part of if you're interested in cryptocurrency. You can get the link to my Slack channel at my site, geometriccharts.com. At the bottom, there's a link to Slack. and my social media accounts as well, right? Hope everybody has a great day, great night.